Welcome back everyone. So we are going to continue the math module again here. So I have created a new file with math module.py, so which I'm going to use it the same here. So let's save it. Okay, I'm going to put some print here so I can see the difference for the upcoming one. Okay, so what is complex thing here? Okay, for example, I have a variable called x, and the the thing is 2 into 3 minus 1. Sorry, it is minus 1. So 2 into 3 minus 1. So the data which we are expecting is 3 minus 1, 2, and 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, let's see what is happening. What? It printed 5. So what is happening? The expecting data is 4 and it is returning 5. The reason is the way how it is handled in the math module. Okay, basically the math module is following BODMAS, okay, which is nothing but I can simply tell you. So the math module is a BODMAS. Okay, so B belongs to bracket, which is the first priority. So the data which is inside the bracket takes the first priority. Okay, and then what is the order? So 2 cube or 2 square, and what kind of order divided by something like that. Okay, and division. Division is takes the next priority, and then multiply, and the rest is add and subtract. So this is the order the math model is following. So the bracket takes the first priority, the second is order, and third is the division, and fourth one is the multiply, and fifth one is the addition, and the final one is the subtraction. Okay, let's go back. So the x variable contains 2 into 3 minus 1, which is wrong. So the way we have to do this, 2 is int 3 minus 1. So since 3 minus 1 inside the bracket, it's take the first priority, and then the multiplication with the data. So here, let's see, 2 into 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Okay, let's see uh, what is happening. Let's run this F5. Cool. Now we are getting 4. Okay, so when we working with the data, basically if it is a number, we need to make sure how we are going to use the brackets and the order and everything, or else it will mess up the data and it's very hard to find where it went wrong. Okay, so is that all? No, if you're talking about math, there are a lot of things which you need to discuss. Okay, okay, so I have a variable called 10.5 or 10.4. I want to round off it. How I'm going to do that? Okay, let's do the print. So we have a method called round, so which will take care of the round off. 10.2. So what is the outcome? It's 10. Since it's a 10.2, it is taking 10 as a priority one. If it is 10.5, it will return as 11. Okay, let's do that. Or 10.6 greater than 5. And let's see. Okay, save it and click F5. See, it is 11. Okay, so the round off method is basically working with the full numbers. Okay, if it's 10.2, it's taking the least. So it is 10 point greater than 5, it's taking the max. That means 10.2 means it's taking the 10. If the data is more than 0.5, it is taking the whole number, or else it's taking the seal number. Okay, but I want to round off the data based on the seal value or the floor value. Seal is top value and floor is the down value. Okay, I don't want the predefined one, I want the customized one. So how I'm going to work with the data? So we have, as I said, go to Python doc where you can find all the modules. Click modules here and try to find, go to M, and here we can find the math module here. Where is C? This is a math module. Click. See, there are a lot of mathematical functions which is available here. See, math.ceil of x. Return the ceiling of x, the smallest integer greater than or equal to. If x is not float, you return the integral value. Okay, so the same thing, the floor is work and f mod is work and factorials also it will work. Let's try some simple examples. Okay, so print. So what is the syntax? As we've seen, math.ceil, math.ceil, and my data is 10.3. So what will be the outcome? It's going to be interesting. Just run this. Oh, what is happening? I got an error. Name. Math is not defined. The reason the math, this particular math is not coming from the predefined library. It has to, you need to specify the math package. So you need to import math and save it. See, the import is orange color because that is a keyword. If you modify something like this, it won't in a proper. That means it's indicating it's not a proper way. It's not a proper data, or it's not a proper way to import the particular package or a module. Now run this. Cool, we got 11 here, which is nothing but the ceil value. It doesn't matter whether 10.3 or not. It will take the ceil value. Okay, let's see the floor value. So what will happen when you use floor? 10. Okay, what will happen if I do 10.8? Obviously, we'll think it is 11. See what is happening? It is 10. It is taking the ceil value because that is the priority which we provided as a math.ceil or floor. And we have other things called, we can use the sine or cost or theta also. Math.sine of 0. Let's see what is that. 0.0. Let's see what is the sine of 5. Some random number. So if you want to see what are the functions which is available in math, you can go through the mathematical functions. Here you can see, okay, let's do something different. So they have the predefined method for factorial also. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so math dot factorial. So I'm going to use that. So what is the factorial of 5? 120. Is it right? 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24, 24 into 5, 120. Yeah, that's right. Okay, basically it's nothing but, open the calculator, calc. Okay, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, 120. So the factorial is right. Okay, it's a handy option, is it so? Yes, it is. Okay, and if you want, you can go through all the modules, and in a different kind of situation, you can use a different kind of math functions. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what is 1 power and what is 2p. Log x to the power of 2. Okay. So for example, if I want to power something, I mean 2 the whole power of cube. So how I'm going to do that? Okay, let's try here. So print math dot. So what are the functions they're using? What is it? Let's see. TV cos. So let's see base log 2. Okay, let me use log 2. Log 2 and the parameters 10. Let's see what happened. 3.321. Okay, and let's see with the 2. 5. So invalid. Log2 takes the exactly one argument. Okay, let's try with 81. So let's see what the outcome. 6.33. So if you don't know how it is doing it, just go and return the base minus 2 algorithm of x. I'm not too good in max, so you just go ahead and try what is there. Okay. So I want to multiply 2 3 times. How I'm going to do that? And we don't need the print for that. We don't need the math function for that. We can simply use 2 double star 3. That indicates I want to multiply 2 into 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4, and 4 into 2, 8. So the expected data is 8. See? It's coming. Or you can see, or 5 into 5 times as well. Or, and it'll do the data. See, 3125. Okay. These are the operations which is available in math. Okay. Please go through the document and make use of all the methods. It's really helpful when you're working with some calculating applications or some um, investment applications or wherever the math complex stuff is needed. So this document is really helpful. Just go through it and let me know if you guys have any clarification so I can help you guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.